This video is on our lower arm for the big arm model right here. And I really like this model because it shows the muscles in a lot of detail. We have hotspots, we have posterior and anterior. These are your lab book pictures, which are unfortunately the mirror image of the picture. I am sorry about that. And we can enlarge it by clicking this button. So for the lower arm, for both the cadavers and the models, I like finding the middle muscle for either the anterior or posterior side. So I'm looking for these tendons right here. They're going to the palm. And here we have a muscle, or a very long tendon. You could actually see this tendon in your forearm. And a very small muscle that's sort of vestigial in humans. This is the Palmaris Longus right here. That means if I go one muscle on this side, this muscle is going to flex the wrist or flex the carpals. So this is the flexor carpi radialis because the radius is on the thumb side. If we go one muscle to this side, this is the flexor carpi ulnaris because the ulna is on this side. So palmaris longus, flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris. The palmaris longus flexes your palm. These two flex your wrists, and they'll work with the extensors to AB and AD duct. This muscle right here is horrible on the small model, but nice on this one. That is the pronator. Guess what it does? It pronates. And then we have this interesting muscle. Technically, it's a posterior muscle, but we can see it here. It's actually a flexor. This is the Brachioradialis. It starts here on the styloid process of the radius. It comes and it's going to rotate around right here. So that is the Brachioradialis. So those are the anterior muscles right there. And if we go here, that's the carpi radialis. So here's the posterior side now. And again, I like to find these nice tendons here and the central muscle. This is the Extensor Digitorum. It extends 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, those fingers. And then we have the Extensor Digitorum minimi, right there, that extends the pinky finger. So this is the central muscle. If we go one muscle to this side, that is the Extensor Carpi ulnaris. This one over here, that's the flexor carpi ulnaris. So it really is on the bottom side of your forearm. It's a very sneaky muscle right there. So this is the Extensor Carpi ulnaris. That's the flexor. This is the Extensor Digitorum. And then we have 2 muscles right here. That one and that one. This is the Extensor Carpi radialis longus. This is the Extensor Carpi radialis brevis. Brevis meaning brief or short. Longus meaning long. So they are one muscle to that side. And then we have our hero, the brachioradialis, the coffee drinker muscle. So this muscle is the adductor pollex. It adducts the thumb. This is the extensor pollex. It extends the thumb. And the antagonists are actually on this side. Gets labeled. Your teacher might want you to go into these, might not. So those are the lower arm muscles. Again, spin it around, try to find them. Again, I always find the central muscle and work my way left and right on them. So find the central muscle, work my way left and right on them. Thank you.